Hello everyone! In this video, we are going to learn about the WC command. So, if I navigate here to my desktop and I write WC, for example, and then dogs, you'll see like 3 numbers appearing and then my file name here, dogs. So what are these 3 numbers? Line number, word number, byte dash character numbers. Okay, so the first number or the first column refers to the line number. So in my file dogs, I only have 1 line. Dogs are better than cats. So that's why here I have 1. And for the word number, I only have 6 words, which are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The exclamation mark is also considered to be a word by itself, because it's separated by a space and nothing else after it. Okay, so this is why I have 6 here, which is the word count. And the 28 here refers to the byte, the number of bytes in this file, or the number of characters, because 1 character corresponds to 1 byte anyways. So for example, if you remember the ls-l command, the long listing, as you can see here, you'll see the 28. Here you have 28 bytes and here you have 28 bytes as well. So WC stands for word count. It stands for word count. And it's basically used if you want to show some information about your file, like how many lines do you have in your file, how many words do you have in your file, how big is your file in terms of bytes, and etc. So let's do it with the file 100, for example. So if you say WC 100, it will show you 100, 100, 292. So why did it show you 100, 100? That's because the first thing, which is the line number, of course I have 100 lines because every number is separated by a new line. And I also have 100 words because every number is a word. And I have 100 numbers, right? And 292 is the number of bytes or the number of characters I have in my file. And if I want to verify that, I can do a long listing of my file 100. And as you can see, here I have 292 bytes. Okay, so if you only want to show one of the information above, you can use the options. So for example, WC-L option will only show you the number of lines. And WC-W option will show you the number of words. But in this case, the number of words are the same as the number of lines. So let's, for example, show the number, let's say WC even, or maybe I will say WC commands will be different. Oh yeah, WC commands. So in the file commands, I have, let's see it here. Yeah, in the file commands, I have 9 lines, as you can see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 11, and 12. I have 9 different lines. I have 55 words in total. And I have 326 bytes. So the file size is 326. So if you only want to show the number of lines, you can say WC-L commands. And of course here, L stands for lines. As you can see, I have 9 lines in my commands. If you want to show the number of words, you can say WC-W commands. And this will print 55. And if you want to see the number of characters or bytes, you can say WC-C, and this will show you the 326. There is one more actually very useful option, which is WC-L, but here L is capitalized, and this will show you, or will print the length of the longest line. So it will print the number of characters in the longest line. So here, if you count this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, all the way, it will show you that this line here contains 65 characters. So let's do it one more time. WC-L will show you the number of lines. WC-W will show you the number of words. WC-C will show you the number of characters or bytes. And WC-L will print out the number of characters of the longest line in the file. Yeah, so as you can see, WC is a very useful command, and by default, it will show you three things about a file. It will show you the number of lines, the number of words, and the number of characters / bytes of your file. Yeah, so that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Ciao!